Have you ever dreamed of escaping the 9-to-5 grind? Imagine a life where you have the freedom to pursue your passions, spend quality time with loved ones, and explore the world without financial constraints. This is the promise of the FIRE movement: financial independence, retire early. FIRE is more than just early retirement. It's about taking control of your finances and designing a life on your own terms. It's about achieving financial freedom to live a life rich in experiences, not just material possessions. The FIRE movement challenges traditional notions of work and retirement. It encourages individuals to break free from the cycle of endless work and delayed gratification. Instead, FIRE empowers you to live life to the fullest, right now. This guide will delve into the core principles of FIRE, explore different approaches, and provide actionable steps to help you embark on your journey to financial independence. The FIRE movement is built on 4 key principles: aggressive saving, smart investing, frugal living, and the power of compound growth. These principles are not just financial strategies, but a lifestyle choice that can transform your relationship with money. These pillars work together to accelerate your path to financial independence. By integrating them into your daily life, you can create a sustainable and fulfilling financial future. Aggressive saving involves consciously choosing to save a significant portion of your income. This isn't just about cutting costs, but about making intentional decisions that align with your long-term goals. This might mean saving 50%, 60%, or even more of your earnings. It can seem daunting at first, but with careful planning and discipline, it becomes a rewarding habit, or even more of your earnings. This approach requires a deep commitment to your financial future, often involving sacrifices in the short term for greater rewards down the line. It requires a shift in mindset, prioritizing long-term financial freedom over immediate gratification. This means resisting the urge to make impulse purchases and focusing on what truly matters. Smart investing is crucial to growing your savings. It's not just about putting money away, but about making your money work for you. By investing in assets like stocks, you can take advantage of market growth and increase your wealth over time. Bonds and real estate, you can create a diversified portfolio that balances risk and reward. You can outpace inflation and build wealth over time. Real estate in particular can provide both income and appreciation, making it a valuable part of your investment strategy. Diversification and a long-term perspective are key. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you reduce risk and increase the potential for steady growth. Frugal living doesn't mean depriving yourself. It's about making conscious choices that enhance your quality of life without unnecessary spending. It's about being mindful of your spending and finding joy in simple pleasures. Cooking at home, for example, can be both cost-effective and enjoyable. It's about prioritizing experiences over material possessions. Spending time with loved ones, exploring nature, and enjoying hobbies can bring more satisfaction than buying the latest gadgets. And finding creative ways to save money without sacrificing happiness. DIY projects and using public transportation are just a few examples of how you can live well on less. Compound growth is the magic ingredient of FIRE. It's the process where your investments generate earnings, and those earnings generate even more earnings. When you reinvest your earnings, your money starts working for you, generating even more money. This reinvestment strategy can significantly boost your financial growth over time. Over time, this snowball effect can lead to exponential growth in your wealth. The earlier you start, the more powerful this effect becomes, allowing you to achieve financial independence sooner. The FIRE movement isn't one size fits all. It's a broad spectrum of financial strategies aimed at achieving financial independence and early retirement. Each path within the FIRE movement caters to different lifestyles, financial goals, and personal values. There are different paths to financial independence, each with its own approach and level of financial resources required. These paths are designed to accommodate various income levels, spending habits, and long-term aspirations. Lean FIRE prioritizes extreme frugality and minimalist living. This approach is about cutting down expenses to the bare minimum and focusing on essential needs. It's about achieving financial independence on a smaller budget, often requiring significant lifestyle adjustments. Lean FIRE enthusiasts often embrace DIY projects, secondhand shopping, and a minimalist lifestyle to reduce costs. Fat FIRE, on the other hand, aims for a more luxurious early retirement. This path is for those who want to maintain or even elevate their current standard of living after retiring early. Fat FIRE enthusiasts typically have higher incomes and savings rates, allowing them to maintain a comfortable lifestyle. They often invest in diverse portfolios, real estate, and other high-yield assets to ensure a steady and substantial passive income. Barista FIRE offers a balanced approach. This path is for those who want to retire early but still enjoy the social and financial benefits of part-time work. It involves working part-time or taking on flexible gigs to supplement your passive income. Barista FIRE allows for a more relaxed lifestyle while still providing a safety net through part-time work. This approach allows for more flexibility and a gradual transition to full retirement. It's ideal for those who want to keep themselves engaged and active while enjoying the benefits of early retirement. Coast FIRE focuses on reaching a point where your investments are projected to cover your living expenses by the time you reach traditional retirement age. This path is about front-loading your savings and investments early in your career. It requires less aggressive saving and allows you to coast towards financial independence. Once you reach the Coast FIRE milestone, you can reduce your work hours or switch to a less stressful job, knowing that your investments will grow enough to support you in the future. Choosing the right FIRE path depends on your individual goals, risk tolerance, and income level. It's important to assess your financial situation, future aspirations, and willingness to make lifestyle changes. There's no right or wrong answer. It's about finding the approach that aligns best with your values and aspirations. Whether you choose Lean FIRE, Fat FIRE, Barista FIRE, or Coast FIRE, the ultimate goal is to achieve financial freedom and live a life that brings you joy and fulfillment. Embarking on the FIRE journey might seem daunting, but it all starts with taking the first step. The path to financial independence, retire early, FIRE is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires careful planning, disciplined execution, and a clear vision of your future. But don't worry, every great journey begins with a single step, and we're here to guide you through each one. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started on your FIRE journey. This guide will break down the process into manageable steps, making it easier for you to follow and implement. Remember, the key is consistency and commitment. 1. Define your FIRE number. Determine how much money you'll need to cover your living expenses in retirement. This is your target savings amount, and it will guide all your financial decisions. Start by calculating your annual expenses, and then multiply that by the number of years you expect to be in retirement. Don't forget to factor in inflation and unexpected costs. Consider factors like housing, healthcare, travel, and your desired lifestyle. Your FIRE number should reflect the life you want to live, not just the bare minimum. Think about where you want to live, the kind of activities you want to engage in, and the level of healthcare you might need. All these elements will influence your overall financial goal. 2. Track your spending. Analyze your current spending habits to identify areas where you can cut back and save more. This step is crucial because it helps you understand where your money is going and where you can make adjustments. Start by categorizing your expenses and tracking them for a few months. Use budgeting tools or apps to track your expenses. There are many tools available that can help you keep an eye on your spending. Apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Personal Capital can provide insights into your spending patterns and help you stay on track. 3. Supercharge your savings. Set ambitious savings goals and automate your savings to make it effortless. The more you save, the faster you'll reach your FIRE number. Aim to save at least 50% of your income if possible. Automating your savings ensures that you consistently put money aside without having to think about it. Explore different savings strategies, such as the 50/30/20 rule or reverse budgeting. The 50/30/20 rule allocates 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. Reverse budgeting, on the other hand, prioritizes savings first and then allocates the remaining income to expenses. 4. Invest strategically. Educate yourself on different investment options and choose a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance. Investing is a key component of the FIRE strategy because it allows your money to grow over time. Consider a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other investment vehicles. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. A professional can help you create a personalized investment plan and provide guidance on complex financial matters. They can also help you stay disciplined and focused on your long-term goals. 5. Minimize expenses. Embrace frugal living principles without sacrificing your happiness. Living frugally doesn't mean living miserably. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values and goals. Look for ways to reduce your expenses without compromising your quality of life. Find creative ways to reduce your housing, transportation, and entertainment costs. Consider downsizing your home, using public transportation, and enjoying low-cost or free activities. Every dollar saved brings you closer to your FIRE goal. 6. Increase your income. Explore opportunities to boost your income, such as side hustles, freelancing, or negotiating a raise at your current job. Increasing your income can significantly accelerate your journey to financial independence. Look for ways to monetize your skills and passions. 7. Stay disciplined. The FIRE journey requires patience and perseverance. It's easy to get discouraged, but remember why you started. Keep your end goal in mind and stay committed to your plan. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Stay focused on your goals, track your progress, and celebrate your milestones along the way. Celebrating small wins can keep you motivated and remind you of how far you've come. Keep a journal or a progress chart to visualize your achievements and stay in